Good morning, students. Today we'll continue the same lesson 8, habitats and adaptations in plants and animals. In the previous class, I explained about the habitats and adaptations in the desert plants as well as animals like cactus, camels, and other animals and plants which are found in the desert areas. How they live in the desert areas, what are the features present in the plants and animals which are adapted themselves in the desert areas. Today we will study about the mountain habitat, means whatever the animals and plants which are found in the mountain habitats, how they are adapted themselves and how they live in that particular environment. So first of all, if we see the mountain habitat, mountain means it is rocky area and it has high altitude. Means the physical feature of the mountain is they have rocks, high altitude is there, the weather is very cold as well as windy, snowfall often occurs here. So these are the climatic conditions found in the mountain habitat. Now how the trees are adapted themselves in that particular environment. So mostly if we see in the mountain habitat, the coniferous trees are present. Coniferous trees means which bears the cones, cone bearing plants like pine. You might have heard about the pine tree, fir, spruce and deodar. So these are the trees which are found mostly in the mountain habitats, and some animals are also found in the mountain habitats like snow leopard, brown bear, mountain goat. These are the animals found in the mountain habitat. So let's see how the plants or mountain plants are having the adaptations. So first of all, the plants or the trees which are found in the mountain areas, they have the trees are cone shaped. Cone shaped means from the bottom it is broad and then in the top it is narrow. So this type of trees are found like pine tree, and they have sloping branches. Sloping branches they have because so that the rain and snow mostly occur in that area, so they slide off easily. And third most important feature of the mountain plant is that they have needle shaped leaves, and these needle shaped leaves help them to means they have thick waxy coating in their leaves, so that the rain or the snow which fall on them, they can easily slide off. And these thick waxy coating structure of the plants or the leaves are called cuticle. And the pine tree mostly their needles they're needle shaped, and they have sunken stomata. Sunken stomata help them to prevent the loss of water. You all know that during transpiration most of the water are lost in the form of water vapor. So these sunken stomata help them to reduce the loss of water from the plants. And the waxy coating which are present in the needle shaped leaves, they also prevent the loss of water through transpiration. Transpiration is a process in which the plants release lots of water in the form of water vapor from their body. So that process is called transpiration. So the process of transpiration is reduced to in the sunken stomata which are found in the pine trees. And next is that the seeds of the pine trees are enclosed in woody cones, and these help them to protect the seeds from the harsh winter, because in the mountain areas the winter is very harsh, it is very cold. And another most important feature of the mountain plant is that they have these mostly they have coniferous trees. You all know that they are having cones or cone bearing plants are found, and these cone bearing plants are mostly evergreen. In evergreen plants, evergreen plants mean those plants which do not shed their leaves throughout the year. So these type of plants which are found in the mountain habitat, they are the evergreen plants are found. And these evergreen plants, since they are evergreen, means their leaves do not shed, so that's why they can photosynthesize throughout the year. So photosynthesis, process of photosynthesis takes place throughout the year in this type of plants. So these are the physical features of the mountain plants which are found in the mountain areas or mountain habitat. Now some animals also will discuss. Mostly mountain goats are found in the mountain habitat. And here what the features of the mountain goat is that first most important feature is that they have strong and flexible hooves, and these strong and flexible hooves help them to swiftly. They help them to easily climb up the steep rocks, because the rocks are there in the mountain areas, in the mountain habitat. So these strong and flexible hooves help them to jump or to climb the steep rocks. And second is that they have soft and rubbery pads, and these soft and rubbery pads are present mostly in their soles, which help them to take a proper grip on the, and also not only to take a proper grip to jump from one area or one rock to another, because they jump from one rock to another. So in the mountain areas, because of the rocks, they have to jump from one rock to another. So their soles are very having soft as well as rubbery pads are there, which help them in this. So these, not only this, the mountain goats or the mountain animals especially, they have fur in their body, and this fur help them to keep warm, because in the mountain habitat the weather is very cold. And the last most important feature of the mountain goat is that they have horns in their head, and these horns protect them from their predators. Predators means those animals which attack them or kill them. So these animals found in the mountain habitats, they have horns to protect themselves from predators. So these are the important features of some of the plants and animals found in the desert area, sorry, mountain area. Thank you.